So what is good guys, Adnan here, and as my days using the OnePlus Nord fly past, I have curated a list of some really clever tweaks to improve your overall experience with the phone. Enjoy! Although Oxygen OS has been building its reputation over the years for having a clean user experience, that sadly has been changing bit by bit. If you own a OnePlus Nord, the 8 or the 8 Pro, then you unfortunately have Facebook services built into your phone. To make matters worse, these are integrated within the framework itself. Now you can easily uninstall both the Facebook and the Messenger apps, but you will still have traces left of its services. If you truly want to get rid of Facebook services from your phone, I leave a link to a guide below which is pretty simple to follow. While the other pre-installed apps that OnePlus phones ship with aren't exactly known to have a bad reputation, any unwanted third-party app is still bloatware. I got rid of the Amazon Prime Video app as well as the Notes app from OnePlus. Cleaning the last bit of bloatware on an otherwise clean software does boost your experience, trust me. Oxygen OS has seen major improvements in the customization field in the recent few updates. If you have a phone running Oxygen OS 10 or above, you're out to jump into the customization tab in the settings app and play around with things a bit. You can change the system-wide theme from dark to light or have a colorful light mode in between. Changing the accent color of your device gives a personalized feel to it. If you tap the accent color option, you will be greeted with a couple of great colors to choose from. What many people don't know is tapping on the customization button below reveals further options, granting you access to choose an accent color out of 16 million. This accent color is reflected in most of OnePlus's built-in apps, the notification shade, quick settings, lock screen, buttons, and many other places. You can also change the shape of the icons system-wide, which includes the quick toggles menu as well. I personally use circles, but you do you. Unsurprisingly, OnePlus also allows you to change the icon pack without the need of a third-party launcher. For OnePlus phones with an in-display fingerprint scanner, you can change the animation that shows up when you're unlocking your phone. There is a decent selection, and having a catchy animation does divert your mind away from the extra milliseconds that an in-display scanner takes over a traditional one. Lastly, you can also choose between two fonts, and I hope OnePlus adds more to this collection. Now this is a quick one. Although Oxygen OS does a great job at balancing animations and speed, you can further improve your phone's performance, or at the very least your perception of it. Just navigate to settings, scroll all the way down to the about phone section, and tap the build number tab a bunch of times until it prompts you to enter your passcode or pattern. This enables a hidden layer of options within your Android device called the developer options, which can be found within the system settings. Scroll down until you find the animation speed section and set everything to 0.5x. This does make your phone seem faster than it is, since some app animations just take more time than you might please. If in case you worry too much about how your battery will age in these 20, 30, 50, 65 watt charging phones, OnePlus has got your back. With the optimized charging option enabled within battery settings, your phone will automatically control the voltage at which it charges and might even stop charging at a certain threshold. Now the voltage and the threshold are determined over the span of a few charges, since the phone needs time to learn your charging habits and how excessively you use your phone. Keeping this turned on will eventually push forward the date for when you might need a battery replacement. However, if you are displeased about the charging speeds or want a full 100% charge at all times, check this off. The last tip that I offer to OnePlus Nord as well as all other OnePlus users is just to spend a few minutes discovering the many features that Oxygen OS has to offer, because trust me, there is a lot of good stuff. For phones with in-display fingerprint scanners, you can enable a shortcut which enables you to quickly launch a select set of apps right after you unlock your phone. This can be done by holding down the scanner instead of letting go after you unlock it. There is a new work-life balance mode which aims at separating your notifications and app habits to improve productivity. You can disable all the entertainment apps while working to stay focused, and on the other hand, you can choose to have no colleague of yours bugging you during some family time. Parallel apps and the app locker have been around on Oxygen OS since a while now and offer the quickest solutions without the need of a third-party app. There is a whole bunch of other features that Oxygen OS offers that are genuinely useful if you need them, but stay out of the way if you choose to have a stock Android experience. I might make a dedicated video showcasing all of them, but for now, my best advice is just to discover these features on your own. That's been it, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.